All right, guys, today's goal: the learner will understand 12 basic functions. What will you learn about? What graphs can tell you 12 basic functions and analyzing functions graphically. And why? As you continue to study math, you will find that 12 basic functions presented here will come up again and again. By knowing their basic properties, you will recognize them when you see them. Okay? So one function is a domain set of all reals except 0. So think about this. What's the only thing we know that you can get, that you can't have something equals 0? Because you can multiply by anything by 0, you can add, subtract anything by 0, you can go to the 0 power. The only thing you can't do is divide by 0. So the standard function would be y equals 1 divided by x, or f of x equals 1 divided by x, because you can't divide by 0. It gives you that vertical asymptote. That's true for any being divided by x squared, but x in the denominator. Okay? All right. Graph the function, then answer the following questions. Okay. So, before we check ourselves here, let's do this. On what interval is the function increasing? Okay, so graph it and try to write those down. Okay. Is the function even, odd, or neither? So this is what I'm talking about here. Well, check to see. If it's even, this is true. If it's odd, this is true. And what I mean by that is, actually, when that happens, the x equals the x. Okay? So try to test those out. And does the function have any extreme? Remember, local max, local min, absolute max, absolute min, all of those. So go ahead and test it out, and let's see. So press pause, try to get this one done. Alright guys, so if you look at your graph real quick, you should have gotten this. Right there is your, it's an absolute max, or minimum. And it has 3. If you don't remember how to do it on the calculator, I'll show you guys tomorrow. It's increasing from here. So from here to here, increasing. Here to here, it was decreasing. So 3 to infinity. Even, odd, or neither. So to do the even, you have f of negative x has to equal f of x. So let's just say x equals 2. If I plug that in, I go f of negative 2 equals... Well, that means I'm plugging in negative 2 for x. So you get 25. And then I go plug it in here. X is 2, so I go 2. What am I substituting in for x? Positive 2. Do those two equal each other? No, so it's not even. And then for the odd, it's x comma y, x comma negative y. They produce the same x. And those you can just check on your calculator. Hit table. So second graph and the table comes up. When x is negative 4, y is 49. So find out when x is negative 49. Or I'm sorry, x is negative 4, it was positive 49. Does it ever equal negative 49? No, so it can't be. So it's not odd. And again, the minimum value is when x is 3. That's what I mean. So, all right, guys. So there's going to be a lot of different graphs and different things that you're going to have to remember. If you go to page 106, 107, and 108, those 3 pages, all 12 of the basic functions are there. You will need to recognize these, okay? So make sure you look over pages 106, 107, and 108. See you guys in class.